Hello, good morning, everyone. This is Zach from XIFU. So again, this morning here, we're gonna look into the overall market sentiments and then do a quick update is what is going on in today here. Okay, so against KLCI seems like hold 1525 and above, and currently is testing around the 20-day moving average. Okay, so let's say the next crucial one, 1500. Okay, something that probably you should take look into it. Okay, pullback yet to complete. That's why market overall they are still not showing the strength or maybe the bullishness. Okay, overall it's kind of still sideways. Okay, again we do see some counter trying to push up resistance, but in the end they fail. Okay, now let's go into the overall indices for today over here. Mostly is in red. Okay, utility transportation turns to green, REITs. Okay, but the rest is in red. Okay, so I can say mostly is in red today. Okay, let's go through some counters that we have been monitoring. Okay, some of the tech counters, like for example, I think Red Tech yesterday, pretty good overall. Okay, let's see. Okay, closing nicely. Okay, today looks like started to do again a bit of pullbacks. So let's say KIC is still below 1520. So probably it will still kind of like sideways in this kind of range. But against looking into the current setup, I think GradTech, I think the setup is actually getting better. Okay, pretty nice actually for me. So let's look into VS as well. VS also started to show a bit of green candles here. Okay, for me, overall, they're still holding around the support area. Again, do let me know if you are joining me. Do let me know any counters that you want me to look into, so we can study together. So the next one is front can. Okay, now I think today, if let's say most of that low volume, touching 20 ml again. It's actually again, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. Just a quick disclaimer. This section here, we're not doing any buy and sell call. If you want to trade any stock based on discussion this morning, make sure you got one trading plan. Okay, but for me, looks like tech is pretty interesting. Let's say today remains low volume, they're touching around the 20 MA. I think there's a good opportunity. Okay, so for me, like I said, I still looking into me. I think Franken is very nice. The other one is Grad Tech Me and Front Can. Okay, so this one also yesterday actually showing a little bit of volume coming in again. Okay, near to the 20 MA. Okay, now some other counters that we do monitor as well. We got Hangman and UUE, and of course some engineering. So Hangman disappointed. Okay, yesterday actually they didn't close back to the gaps. Okay, so for me, maybe I'm not that keen anymore. Okay, unless they're pushing it back like a copy like this. They do a shake up that I think would be somehow nicer. Okay, so there's Hangman. Let's try UUE. Okay, UE yesterday got some volume. Okay, today a little bit gap up. Okay, still nice overall. Okay, let's go into our trick signal. Eco Shop. Eco Shop that listed a few days ago. Okay, today rebounded back. Okay, looks good. Gajaya. Gajaya, okay. SY Group. Hey, SY Group, no bad. SY Group got a downtrend here. Then they actually do a reversal with pullback. Okay, so pretty good. Okay, for SY Group. Actually, best is yesterday, or maybe a few days ago. They actually rebounded from the 20th. Today, it's already 4%. Probably want to aim for the next resistance. Okay, so this is for those that were interested. Next resistance should be around 86 cents. Okay, area. All right. So at least today we got spot one. SY Group not too bad. CEB continue to go slower. Is it? This is today candle. Where's today candle? Wow. Okay. Macam very bad on CEB. Anyone here still holding CEB? Okay, let's try Pardini Eco Shop. Today also macam not much of counters. Okay, Yongtai. Yongtai still above support. Okay, looking good. CHB. Okay, CHB reversal, but we got some volume over here. Jatiasa. Hey, Jatiasa also got reversal. Huh? I didn't notice that. Got a strength signal some more. This one is nice. Okay, I didn't notice Jatiasa actually got a reversal. Okay, reversal with a pullback. Okay, so very good, very nice. Of course, if let's say you want to look for lowest entry 1.15, I think would be an ideal area, okay, to monitor. Morning, Hari. Morning, Suiwa. Okay, Yongtai. Yongtai, I think I just now already reviewed. Yesterday actually didn't close strongly. Okay, in the end it formed like a shooting star. But okay, today seems it's a gap up. Again, my view still the same. As long as they are above 175, is okay. Right, above 175 still okay. Best is that they are above 185. That's the best. To remain that they are still in the pullback areas and they are trying to complete the pullbacks. Okay, so today volume quite high. Got any announcement? Okay, looking good. Okay, of course above 1.85 lah. 185 lah, I think is pretty good. Okay, let me know any other questions. Today I think markets will be boring, and I believe some of you probably is away already because of the long weekend. I mean some of my colleague also, they started to take off until next Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, JF Tech. Okay, some of the yesterday counters that closed strongly. I think you can monitor as well. I think Inari doing pretty good as well. Looks like they are started to coming back. LG Tech illiquid. No for me. Oh yeah, Adaran. I forgot about Adaran actually. Looking good again. They are actually back to this support. 1.4. Okay, 1.4. But Adaran, this kind of style of counters sometimes a bit boring. You need to hold for a while. Okay, but looking good. My tag got some volume coming back. Macam ada benda. Okay, let's see got insider buy or sell. Because this one I think previously is by MYAG boss, if I'm mistaken. Here. Here tak ada. Sudah tak ada. Okay, never mind. Okay, we go for a few more counters. Then we'll end this section. It's a short section. Again, market is not that hot overall. Okay, but some tech counters that's showing a strength yesterday actually started to do a bit pullback also. All right, so I think it's a good area to focus. It's a good area to focus. But for me, is that KSC still is not in a very good trend right now because they are dropping below 1520. So if you are to trade, make sure you trade very close with support. Okay, so probably today I will try me or GradTech because I've been aiming GradTech for some times. Probably I'll try a little bit, okay, to hold until next week. Okay, Panda also looking nice yesterday. We got some volume today also holding around the 20 MA. VS Tech. Oh, VS Tech not too bad also. Okay, we got strength signal. Now looks like today everything also testing the support area. Okay, like I said today we do a short one. I'm not sure what the updates really because mostly it's the same like yesterday. I don't have thing that is trending unless you got some things for me. Okay, you can comment at the comments below. Okay, let me check my XIFU apps. Any pullback stock ideas or not? RG Tech, eForce. Okay, eForce recently macam want to come back. Okay, for those who don't know, XIFU actually is from eForce. Okay, XIFU and actually is from eForce. Okay, and recently also, this is I think from yesterday. Okay, yesterday closing. Okay, because some signal over here. Today quiet. Okay, but if not mistaken, Mr. TS1 has been buying it. Mr. TS1 is the founder. Sorry, it's not founder. It's a MIG boss. Okay, so yeah. Previously is HG Padu, MyTech as well. Okay, so probably can take a look into it. Okay, yesterday also towards closing we have Iris, JPG as well. Anything is interesting on Iris? Okay, double bottom. We got some volume with double bottom. Okay, probably can do range trading, and then JPG. Okay, reaccumulation with shakeout. Okay, nothing interesting, boring, but it's a good stock for mid to long term. Okay, let's look into Gamuda, last one. This is looking for exit by JC. Okay, Gamuda. Okay, I think this one we have been talking about this for few months already. Okay, now next immediate resistance here. Okay, 475. Of course, this resistance, the recent one, okay, if you notice these two area, we don't see any major weakness. Okay, we don't see major weakness. Okay, so okay, I cannot really guess where it can go, but if let's say I want a TP, first one, immediate 175. Okay, immediate resistance. I don't say immediate exit. Immediate resistance 175 that you can consider. All right, to take profits. The next one, I will still think that here will be remain the same. 189 or 190 AB. Okay, so I leave up to you. You want to exit everything or you want to exit partially. All right, so but looks like here don't have any weakness now. So probably you can consider partial exit. Again, don't do any buy and sell call here. Okay, so I think with this, once again, thank you for joining me. It's a very short section, okay, because today I think overall market is boring, pulling back. Like I said, nothing much to add to comment. Some tech showing strength yesterday. I would think that it's good to continue monitor this list of counters. Go back to the Telegram. I think yesterday I shared out. Okay, for those that who have this trick signal, I think it's easy for you. For those that who don't have it, you can go back to this trick signal list. I think yesterday like S&P Tech is doing pretty good. Pentagrad Tech, PIE, yeah, all these lists actually for me there's got lots of potential. Like S&P Tech, they're actually still from the bottom, which means your risk is still very low. Of course, you probably need to wait, but for me, it's something worthwhile to look into. Okay, this is for Ruku. Ruku, good morning. Let's try Grad Tech. Okay, Grad Tech, just now we also study ready. Again, I say same. I will still think that they are having a nice pullback complete after reversal. All right. Today, yes, it dropped a little bit. Volume remains to be low, which is nice. Okay, if let's say towards the end of the day, maybe around 3 to 4 p.m., volume low, still good. Okay, so like I said, I personally also looking into it. Okay, just that the overall IBM calcia is still a bit worried for me, so that's why I still haven't really entered yet. Okay, but probably let's see 3 or 4 p.m. I will try a little bit maybe on me front can S&P Tech, Grad Tech. Probably I'll just choose one. Okay, to enter. Okay, next G. Wow, this one tricky lah. This one Rico. Okay, the reason why I say tricky, actually the chart setup is still good, still nice. All right, just that they are actually at the main resistance. I think you asked me before this, right? I'm not sure who asking me this. Okay, but yeah, seems very familiar this chart. Okay, at one of the main resistance. Okay, the reason why I say tricky because sometimes they probably will wash and around before jalan. Okay, so I'm not sure you're looking for entry exit right? If let's say you enter previously, now looking for exit, good. Yes, I think this is the area that you can consider for partial profits. Okay, because here also notice I do notice here got another high volume. Okay, here previously got some high volume, right? This candle, right? They will dip slightly lower and then push again. So here we got some volume. So I'm afraid that later on they also will push a bit deep before they try again, right? So it actually shows there's intention to break the resistance, but just that every time they hit resistance, seller come in. Okay, so yeah, something that you have to watch out. Or looking for second entry, but now a resistance bro. Now a resistance bro. Risk reward is not nice. Setup wise is still nice, but risk reward is not nice. Okay. Okay, if really want to look for entry, I think somehow around this area, 350. I'm not sure whether it will hit back to here or not. 350 I think should be a good area considering the chart setup right now. Okay, if you're looking for second entry. Now, if let's say it break, okay, okay, little break here against the current resistance, return to support. Okay, probably somewhere around here. All right, because right now it's exactly a resistance. It's a bit difficult to. Normally, I don't do it. Okay, unless you feel comfortable, I think okay. Chart setup still nice. Just that probably because of this candle over here. I think I expect somehow a one more round of deeper pullback before they try to push again. Okay, again, my opinions. All right, so I think with this, once again, thank you for joining me this morning over here. Study a bit of boring market, unfortunately for this morning, but I think tech is looking good. I'll say so. Probably we'll see if let's say we can spot any opportunity or not in the afternoon. All right, continue more. Follow us in the Telegram. Anything that interesting, I'll post it over there. Okay, EVIN. Okay, last one. Okay, sure. Let's look into EVIN. Oh, deep pullback. Okay. Okay. Now this is the one that actually far away from 2040s. So that's why sometimes far away from 2040, I tend to be more careful because the pullback tends to be a bit deep. All right. Looking for entry, I believe that, Rico. Okay, now this is Pierce resistance, failed to hold at this moment. Okay, so this is the first try, but now it looks like they failed to hold. Okay, second one. Okay, I think to be safe, right? Because this one actually pulled back yet to complete also. Okay, the next support to be safe 290. Almost. Okay, almost hitting 290. So probably can aim around this area. Or probably you want to wait for a pullback completes. Okay, because now this one is pullback it to completes. Okay, so probably it will continue to retest lower later on. Maybe you can try that 290, okay, before you will see some pullback completes forming. Okay, somewhere around here. But one good thing is that this one actually didn't show any major weakness. Of course, the pullback is deep because this one shoot up quite fast, man. So the pullback is pretty deep. Okay, so but if you look into this overall volume over here, I think only this candle comes slightly high volume. The rest is still okay. So for me, yeah, the uptrend still good. Okay, just that the pullback at the complete. Okay, probably tonight we're going to monitor. Is there any potential strength in the chart? Okay. All right. So with this, once again, thank you for joining me. Remember to help me to click the like buttons. I will see you again next week.